In the hyperconnected world, where digital dependency is at an all-time high, one role remains the critical bridge between complex systems and the people who use them: the help desk specialist. Often known as a computer support specialist, this is the Stage One Launchpad for nearly every high-level career in technology. While AI handled 40% of routine tasks in 2025, the human help desk specialist is more vital than ever to innovate. This role belongs to the IT operations and support domain. Currently, this sector faces a massive 39% skill shortage, making it one of the most stable and high-demand areas for entry-level talent. You are the unseen defender of business continuity, ensuring that the technology infrastructure powering healthcare, finance, and global logistics never stops moving. Your daily mission involves analyzing, troubleshooting, and evaluating computer network problems. Specialists manage support tickets across multiple channels: phone, email, chat, and in-person. Daily functions include performing regular maintenance to ensure network uptime, troubleshooting local area networks, LANs, and internet connectivity, and setting up new workstations. You aren't just fixing bugs, you're maintaining the data integrity and security of the entire organization. To succeed, you must be a master of all environments. You will work daily with Windows, macOS, and Linux, alongside mobile operating systems like Android and iOS. Proficiency in command line interface, CLI tools like PowerShell and CMD, is essential for directory navigation and network testing. You must also understand hardware components like CPUs and RAM, and be comfortable with virtualization and cloud service models like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Your superpowers are your soft skills. Communication is non-negotiable. You must explain complex technical issues to non-technical users in plain language. Empathy and emotional intelligence are your tools for handling stressed users. Finally, creative problem-solving and logical thinking allow you to look beyond obvious solutions to optimize systems for future scalability. How do you break in? While some roles require a degree, many employers prioritize applied skills and certifications. The CompTIA Plus remains the industry gold standard, validating your hands-on ability to troubleshoot hardware and security. For absolute beginners, CompTIA Tech Plus offers a modern introduction to the field. Once you've mastered the basics, the Cisco CCNA or CompTIA Network Plus act as your Stage 2 or intermediate bridge into higher-paying roles in network engineering or cybersecurity. The tech landscape is evolving fast, but the need for skilled problem solvers never fades. Starting as a help desk specialist is a smart investment in a future defined by AI, cloud, and digital resilience. Grab your first certification, start building your skills, and join the ranks of the defenders of the digital age. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more career roadmaps.